Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a unique gem for sale. It is located in the beautiful tucked away of Duncans Bay, Trelawny. A great sea view is the start of this breathtaking property. Built in 2004 and sitting on 0.51 acres. This house boasts electric fencing with a private wall and fencing all around. There is a tray wood finish ceiling throughout the property. It also has immaculate flooring throughout. The pictures would only capture so much. Laundry area with sink and adjoining bathroom. Two exterior water tanks. Very spacious bedrooms including bathrooms. Open air floor plan. Stainless steel appliances. Granite countertops and more. It has the trimming of the elegant lifestyle that embodies its owner. Come see, you will not be disappointed. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 650,000. Jamaican 102.5 million. Canadian 930.4 thousand or 505.2 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.